Hey guys, before I just begin the video, I just wanted to ask you to please subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries regarding any videos, make sure you write it down in the comment section. Now let's get back to the video. Welcome to another PyTorch tutorial. In this video, we are going to talk about PyTorch transformations. So we'll go through step by step. For transforming an image, the very first thing that we need is to have an image. So first we'll go and fetch an image, and then I'll show you how to perform various PyTorch transformations on them, such as flips and rotations. Taken this image for a reason because we'll see that the person is standing in a posture. So when I'll perform flips and rotations, it will be easier for us to understand. So I'll just download it, and don't worry, you don't have to find this image. I'll upload the Jupyter notebook as well as this image on my GitHub page, the link for which is in the description down below. I have my image in the same folder. I'll give the path to the image. I'll import the PIL library. I'll open the image and display the image. So as you can see, my image is loaded in Python. The next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to resize it so that it's easier for us to see how the transformations occur. For that, I'm going to import the Torch Functional Transforms. I can resize my image using tf.resize. If I want to see the documentation for it, I can just put a question mark and shift enter. I can see all the details about it. So I have to give the size, the desired output size. So I'll give 256 by 256. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the documentation and find the documentation for cropping. So here's the documentation for functional crop. It says I have to give a PIL image and then the top, left, height and width. So write tf.crop. I'll check the size of the image. So I have to go somewhere around half from left, the size of the crop by 2. I'll take the width of the image by 2, and this will be my starting left point, and from the top I'll take around 10 pixels. That will be enough. So I'm going to crop instead of resize. I'll put the numbers. So let's just call the documentation again. So it's left, top, height and width. So I'll just put in those numbers, and the crop is of size of 1024 by 1024. So I have the image of the woman standing in the between. Now I'll resize it to a 256 by 256 image. So I'll just again resize it over here. So I'll just show you how to do two PIL transformations in one. I've used a PIL image and put PyTorch transformation on it, and the output is also a PIL image. So again, iteratively, I can put another PyTorch transformation on it. What exactly I'm going to do, I'll just put this in a new variable as image1, and I'll put another transformation on it of resize. So image1 of size of 256 by 256. So now I can see the image 2. This image is the right image. So what I'm going to do, I'll just show you how exactly I'll do it on one line. So I'll just take the tf.resize and put it back on the first line. And then I'll just give the size of the image of 256 by 256. So now I have to see the image. So I'll just remove it right now and I'll add it later. And now you can see I get the same image. So I'll just keep it in a variable img. So you can see both img2 and img are the same image. Now coming to the transformations, what all transformations I'm going to do. So here you can see there are 7 kinds of transformations done on the original image. So we'll be doing the same using PyTorch. So let's start with rotate at 90. For rotating this image, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use tf.rotate image comma 90. So 90 is the degrees. So I'll do a 90-degree rotation. As you can see, the image is rotated 90 degrees. Similarly, I'll do 180 degrees and now 270 degrees. So all these 3 transformations are done. Next, I have to flip the image. If you see here, this is a vertical flip. For vertical flip, I'll do tf.vflip and image name. So this is a vertical flip. Next, they say 90 degrees and flipped. So first I'll perform 90 degrees and then I'll do a vertical flip. So here is a 90-degree rotation, and as we did previously over here, wrapping 2 of the transformations in one line, we'll do the same over here. So rotating the image followed by flipping the image. Similarly, we'll do 180 degrees and then flip, 270 degrees and flip. Now I'll stack all these images and show you how all of them are unique. Here is a code snippet for stacking the PIL images. Let's see how we're going to use it for us. For us, the width and height is the same. I'll remove this. So total width will be 256 multiplied by 8 and max height will be 256. So I'll have to iterate through these images. I'll just put all of them in one cell. So I'll give all these images a name, and let me get the first image as img1 and perform all these transformations on img1. I'm going to make a list of all these images. All of them are stacked together. Let's have a closer look at all of these 8 images. So in the first image, you can see the woman is standing straight. Her hand is pointing towards the right. In the next, it's pointing towards up, then left, then down. Now in the fifth image, you can see it's again pointing towards the right, which is similar to this image, but it's a vertical flip. In the next image, it's pointing down, which is a vertical flip to this image. Here it's pointing left, which is a vertical flip to this image. And here it's pointing up, which is a vertical flip to this image. So all of them are unique. Also, I'll show you how to do a horizontal flip and also show you how to do a horizontal flip and rotation. Now I'll tell you how to convert a PIL image to a PyTorch tensor and a PyTorch tensor to a PIL image. So I have my PIL image over here. To convert it in a PyTorch tensor in the range of 0 to 1 and of shape, channel, height, width, I'll write tf.toTensor and pass my PIL image as an argument. Now I can check the shape of the tensor and the min and max of it. To convert a tensor to a PIL image, I'll write tf.toPILImage and pass the tensor. It is now a PIL image. In the next video, I'll bring more PyTorch transformations related to color and use them in a PyTorch data loader. Thank you for watching this video.